What is going on, YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Chembio Diagnostics. This is ticker symbol CEMI because this stock was going absolutely insane today. It was up 159% in a single day. In intraday, things were even higher. I mean, we see it here peaking right around $6.90. It ends up closing at $5.34. So, I mean, the intraday highs were over 200% in a single day. And then even though it did cool off a little bit, and it's cooled off a little bit more after hours, down 6% after hours, it's still up around like 130, 140 some percent for the day, which is absolutely insane. That is so crazy. It's going to get people interested. It's going to get, heads turning, eyeballs looking, and people wondering what's going on, and if this huge rally is going to continue, if it's going to cool off, if it's going to correct and come back down, what all is exactly going on. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so that would be absolutely awesome. That'd be absolutely insane, and we can be a little bit closer, get there a little bit faster with your help. Click that button real quick. With that being said, here we go. Getting into this article from Business Insider, where they talk about how day traders are cheering on a small medical diagnostics company, again, CEMI, Chembio Diagnostics, that soared 237% today after announcing a $28 million order. Now, keep in mind that right now this stock has a $108 million market cap, so getting a $28 million order, that is going to be a very big deal for a stock this small. So, shares of Chembio Diagnostics surged as high as 273% Wednesday as the company announced a large order for its COVID-19 test. This is obviously a big deal right now. It seemed like reopening plays were the thing. It seemed like COVID was starting to get behind us, but now all of a sudden numbers are going up pretty much all over the United States. I don't know about internationally. We're talking about new strands, new variants, all kinds of crazy things going on. And then fall is right around the corner where things really spiked up last year. So it seemed like we were moving past this. It seemed like we were going to re-entry plays, but all of a sudden, biotech, pharmaceuticals, diagnostic companies, all this stuff is starting to come back in play. We're going to be getting a lot more COVID news as far as good and bad news, and these stocks are going to be very volatile still. Seems like it's just never ending at this point. Day traders on StockTwits cheered on the stock, which had its lowest point since 2010 the previous day. That is pretty crazy. Obviously seeing the stock hit bottoming out at right around $2.06 before obviously shooting all the way back up. This is like the perfect time for this news if you wanted to buy low opportunity. Trading volume obviously skyrocketed. That's what we really typically see with these small companies that go crazy on days like this. They get a ton of volume, like volume that is just magnitudes higher than they usually see. So the stock hit its lowest points in 2010 on Tuesday, and then it shot up. The company announced it received a $28.3 million purchase order for the purchase of Chembio's COVID-19 antigen test. The company that bought these developed and produced biopharmaceutical products to support Brazil's national public health system. Investors on social media were obviously very excited about this on StockTwits. They were cheering on Chembio's stock surge, with one user saying, "With this much volume, I'm thinking we hit high sevens before the dip. That would be crazy." CEMI holding through tomorrow, not concerned about dips. So people are very hyped. People are very excited. People who have been in this company for a long time, it was finally their big opportunity to cash out. People who have been buying the dips, obviously they're hyped up and excited. But now there's going to be a whole new kind of breed of people coming in who are going to be holding the bag, and it'll be interesting to see whether this keeps going higher or not. I mean, if the company can start getting a consistent flow of orders, if cases spike up again in the fall or in the winter, there's going to be a ton of people ordering antigen tests and stuff like that, obviously. So the future could potentially be bright. Again, it'll just depend whether it's this company, another company, who knows. It's going to be a ton of competition out there. Obviously, 2021 is going to be way different than 2020. It's not sneaking up on people. It's not a surprise anymore. So it'll just be what companies are prepared, what companies are able to enter what markets, who's able to get good orders, good volume, and make a ton of money, because it seems like the plays are definitely going to be there. Chembio was the top trending ticker Wednesday afternoon on StockTwits. Trading volume also exploded with over 286 million shares having exchanged hands, which is just absolutely crazy compared to the average of 3.8 million. You guys know what I'm talking about there. Like, just an insane uptick in the trading surge. I mean, this is a company that, over the last 6 months, it's seen a ton of volatility, but ever since this February, it's pretty much just been straight down, and now seeing this little bounce up. Still not even to like its yearly highs, which were around $8, 52-week high being right around $9. So conventional wisdom would tell us this maybe has some more room to run. This company has been at a higher valuation before. It has been more hyped up and stuff before. But again, it's really going to depend on how COVID goes, how their orders go, how they're able to take advantage of the situation. Because we know whenever COVID's in the conversation, whenever it's these pharmaceutical companies and all that, volatility is always there. Huge risk, huge reward potential. But it's going to be interesting to follow. So definitely drop a like if you guys did enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Let me know what you think about CEMI. If you guys are buying in, staying away, selling off, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.